Bună ziua!
Hola.
Bonjour.
And now we're gonna show you today's training course sessions.
Today we did a communication activity where we had to draw on each other's back the image that Reka gave us in a post-it.
So then Cyril teach us which are the learning objectives. These are the definitions, and they have three main characteristics. They are behavior, conditions, and criteria. Then he showed us how to create SMART learning objectives. SMART is from specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time feature.
And now we are going to show you
The learning objectives activity.
We had to create new learning objectives for an hypothetical training course about ecology and environmental protection. We also had to imagine 3 activities for each learning objective.
So for the afternoon activities, we started with a game. So the goal was to make a move, then the other person in front of you had to do the same. So the last person had to do it, and we had to see if it was the same that the one at the beginning. The goal was to show that if you have a lot of different persons that are talking about a subject, it will change because everyone is doing their own interpretation. We did a workshop where we had to draw words in the way that we represent them in our imagination. So for example, if you had the word big, you could write it in bigger letters, and if on the opposite way, if you had thin, you could write it in very thin letters. So it was very interesting because it helps you practice your creativity.
Also, we made a brainstorm where we have to say what was harmony for us.
We got split into groups of 2. We had to design a harmony poster and present it to a jury made of a designer, social activist, and entrepreneur. Also, we had to make a speech of 30 seconds to sell the product, and there were 2 winners.
Now we are going to show you.
Today we're going to say